Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and feeling empowered. You can do this! Financial literacy isn't the same boring subject schools teach. It's about taking control of your money and future. Today, we dive into financial literacy for Gen Z. This guide will help you build wealth in this digital age. You'll learn why this matters and how you can succeed. First, let's talk about what financial literacy means. It's knowing how to manage your money wisely. That includes saving, spending, investing, and understanding debt. It's like learning the rules of a game. Knowing the rules helps you win. Now let's break this down step by step. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Use a simple app or notebook. Know how much money you earn and where it goes. This helps you see where you can save. Next, create a budget. A budget is a spending plan that keeps you on track. It's like a roadmap for your money. Decide how much to spend on fun activities, saving, and essentials. Saving should be a top priority. Aim to save 20% of your income. This can build your emergency fund. An emergency fund helps you deal with unexpected expenses. Think of it as a safety net. Once you're comfortable saving, let's talk investing. Investing means using your money to earn more money. Look into stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. These options can grow your wealth over time. Now let's explore debt. Not all debt is bad, but you must manage it carefully. Understand the difference between good and bad debt. Good debt helps you invest in your future, like student loans. Bad debt can sink you, like high-interest credit cards. Did you know that 70% of millennials use mobile banking? The digital age offers tools to help you manage finances. Use budgeting apps or cash management apps. They simplify tracking and make learning fun. Here's a story to illustrate these concepts. Meet Jamie, a Gen Z student. Jamie had dreams of traveling and starting a business, but struggled with money. After learning about budgeting, Jamie began saving monthly. Within a year, Jamie had enough for that first adventure. It felt great being financially smart. Now let's summarize the key points. Track your income and expenses. Create a budget. Save a portion of your income. Learn to invest wisely and manage debt. Use digital tools to simplify your money management. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Start with small steps and build up your knowledge. You have the power to control your financial future. Before we wrap up, here's your call to action. Share one financial goal in the comments below. Is it saving for a trip, paying off debt, or investing more? Let us know. Thanks for joining us on this financial journey today. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Together we can all become financially savvy and empowered. See you in the next video.